Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you're trying to find the fuse for the ignition switch start-stop function on a Hyundai Sonata, guys, I'm talking about generation 2009 to 2015. Stay with us, we're going to explain that and show you guys how to actually find these fuses. You have 5 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end. Some of those are hidden and we'll explain which one you need to check. Before we start, let me tell you guys something. We will share the links in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, parts, tools for incredibly good price and fast shipping as well. That's where we order everything from. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically, guys, on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have at least 200 electrical videos and more than 300 mechanical videos. The electrical videos will be shared on this channel. Electrical Car Repair Live, and the mechanical videos, guys, taking the engine apart, the whole car apart, practically show you how to fix anything, will be on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out. We have helped more than 100 million people, guys. Our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So, with all that being said, let's explain, what we need to do now, guys. We need to check 5 fuses, as I said. First step will be, go ahead, guys, and this is your fuse box right here. Go ahead, open, the fuse box. You have one switch, one tap here, one over there. So you need to squish and then it goes up. Here, you guys, usually we'll have a fuse puller, but I already left ours inside. Just grab that fuse puller, and let me show you which one it is, by the way, so if you need it. You can get it. Let me see where I misplaced actually that fuse puller, because we'll definitely need it. Oh, right here, I left it right here. So that's one. It will be located here, so squish in, pull it out. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and see which fuses we need to check and find out actually which fuses control the ignition switch on that Hyundai Sonata. Now I'm going to go inside, guys, by the, you can see this is your steering wheel here. That cap right here is where the fuses are. Go ahead, pull it out. Now inside, guys, that's where things get interesting. So many things that we need to actually check. The first fuse, guys, that we need to check, it's called PDM number 2. PDM2. So if you come this way, let me focus quick. If we come this way, this one will be the third fuse from top to bottom, the second row from left to right. 1, 2, 3. This 7.5 amp fuse, guys. 7.5 amp fuse. Check this one now. Another one, guys, that you have that actually controls that ignition, guys, it's called module 1. Module 1, you need to come all the way to this side, and then you need to come to the second row from right to left and come to the second fuse, which is located right here. This one is another one that we need to check. Also, you have another one that's called start 1, and start 1 is the first one in the very top right corner, this fuse as well. Those are the fuses inside. Now if you guys need to check a fuse and replace one, let's explain how you can actually do that. Let's say you need to replace that PDM. Grab it with the fuse puller, pull it out. Right here. So you can check if the fuse is good or bad. If, guys, for some reason you cannot see like this one, there is actually, guys, a special video that we made how to test the fuse. It's not very complicated, it takes only a few minutes, so I'll put the link in the description of the video below how you can actually easily do that. So please check it out when you're ready. If you need to buy new fuses for a really low price, check out the link in the description of the video below. So I'll go ahead, put this one in, and then we're going outside. And I need to show you 2 more fuses that we actually need to check outside under the hood. So let's go ahead, do that. And if you look on the box, the fuses that we need to check, guys, are you can see everything is so chaotic. It just doesn't go in right way, so we need to actually locate those, and I'll show you exactly which one I'm talking about. So if you look at it that way now, guys, okay, look at the box, we need to check ignition 2, okay, right here. Ignition 2, it's this big fuse right here, and you can clearly see if it's burned or not through the glass here, but for some reason if you cannot identify it, I'll recommend to pull it out and test it, super easy. Now the other one is known as ignition 1, okay, and let me focus with the camera. It's this fuse right here, 40 amp fuse. So this is in this mega fuse block right here. If you come from the right, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, it's the third fuse. You can see 40 amps on the front, and you can see if it's burnt or not through that glass. If for some reason you don't know how to know for sure if it's burnt, what I recommend, disconnect the car battery. Now that's where things really matter. If you don't disconnect and reconnect the car battery in the correct way, correct order, you can burn engine, computer, electronics, modules, and that can cost you a lot of money, guys. We did that mistake and it cost us $2,000. So we have a video that explains how to do that properly, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that, disconnect that nut right here, that cable. You have one tooth holding that mega fuse right here. Pull it to the side, pull the fuse out, and test it with a voltmeter, okay, just like checking a fuse. One LED here, the other LED on that fuse, and see if you have a continuous connection. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.